I'm going to run through the birthday treasure hunt from LockPaperEscape. So this is the first clue that you actually get. It's a scroll, as you can see, with today's your birthday, so let's have some fun. Time to get down to clue number 1. You'll find in this room to start your celebrations hidden pictures of cakes. They hold the answer to the first secret location. So this clue is the only clue really that's set in respects of having the order. So this one, first thing in the morning, maybe on the birthday day or the party or whichever you're planning, you can have this maybe set up on the breakfast table or the living room or something all set up. And what I like to do is wrap some funky strings and things around. So I roll it up. I try not to make it too small so it kind of looks kind of more impressive. There you go. Tie this thing up. And then I'd have this displayed on the breakfast table. And when they open it, they have their first clue, and then they know that they're doing a treasure hunt. So, like it says, you need to find pictures of cakes, and these are the pictures of the cakes. So the idea is that in your first room, wherever you're having this, is that you'll hide these. Not too difficult to find, so where the children can see them, unless of course you're playing with adults, then you can be really evil and just hide them anywhere. There is another sheet in the printable kit which is blank cupcakes, so they are basically decoy ones. But when they found all of these, it will spell out shoe, like that. So the next place they need to look for is in a shoe. And as I say, from this point in, you can choose any clue to go next. And we have an assortment of different clues. So we have, as you can see, they're quite large as they are. They come 2 on an A4 sheet or 8.5 by 11 inch. But if you wanted them smaller, just double print on a page. So just add 2 sheets per printing page. So they'll be half the size then. But I like them nice and big because it's more fun, I think. Anyway, yeah, so you get 2 per page like so. So this is one of your ones. So we have a book location. We've got under a table. This is somewhere in the house you might, or most of your clothes you keep. You go in here every night when it's time to sleep. So this will be a bedroom. And we have another one here. When you want to clean your hair, this product can't be beat. Just add it to your head and lather, rinse, repeat. So that will be in the bathroom or the shower, wherever the kids use to wash. And here we go. Oh, let's put it to the side. You're doing great. This is a breeze. Hurry to the next clue because it might freeze. So the next clue, if you're popping it in the freezer, a real great thing to do is grab one. If you can pop the next clue that you're going to use inside a bag like this, make sure it's really well sealed and watertight, then pop it in a tray or something and let them freeze it. So then what the children have to do is they have to either wait for the water to unfreeze. So don't make it only have like a shallow dish and put it inside that. Or they can, find other ways to get it out. But yeah, hide the next clue after this one in the freezer. Keep it inside an ice block or something like that. That'd be good fun. Okay, this one is a back to front one. So some people, I've had a few messages about people not understanding how to do this one. It is really easy. So you literally start from the bottom and you read backwards. So when you look at this, you'll find perfection, because what you see is your reflection. So a mirror. It obviously can be anywhere, the mirror. But yep, that's where that clue takes you. So here we go. This is a pig pen clue. One piece of paper. So these are great. They're deceptively easy to do. So if we decode this one, this gives you the answers, and and that's the actual clue itself. So if we start from here, we're looking for the corresponding shape. So we've got a V with a dot in it. So a V with a dot in it is W. And the square in the middle, E. Next word, T. Next word, O. Next is a V and a V, so 2 S's, we toss. So that's an O. That's a U again. There it is there. But once I've spelled it out, basically it sends them to a washing machine. But yeah, you can obviously give help for this one, but it's really, really nice and simple to do. You can hide this piece in one location, like in a separate room, and this bit can be alongside it. So they need to seek and find out each piece of the puzzle, and then they need to decode it. So that's the pig pen cipher code. So we've also got a jigsaw puzzle. I'll take that off there, you can see it. Again, you can hide these around the room. I like to put, I've got an envelope here, so maybe pop a couple of pieces inside an envelope, and inside the envelope is a task for them to do. So they have to maybe jump on a skipping rope for 10 times, do 10 jumping jacks before they're allowed to get the rest of the puzzles, and then you hand them this. That's a good fun to see. It sort of extends the party game. If you're obviously running it as a party, you could have this as a group activity. So it could be cupcake decorating. So once they've all completed the cupcake decorating, they get given another envelope with the rest of the clues in, and then they can complete that puzzle. So you get the envelope in the kit as well, which you can print out as many times as you like. There is also, if you don't want to use it as a jigsaw puzzle, there is just this picture as it is, so that you can, if you don't want to have that element, you literally can just hand them this picture. When I put it together, she says, so there's a little dog's face, there we go there. We have that bit there, whoop, that bit there. Bit there. I think new jigsaw puzzles would be so much fun, eh? There we go. And you can see, all it is a rotating little message. Well done, you made it. You are really starting to think. Your next clue will take you into the kitchen. You should look under the kitchen sink. So there we go, that's that one. Again, you don't have to use any of, you don't have to, say anything. You don't have to use all of the different puzzles. You can pick and choose. There's obviously no particular order. It's entirely up to you. You have a real nice simple one here. Another kind of little puzzle to solve. So write the letters you follow into the boxes below. So if we follow this one round, it's a C. So once they've done all that and they've followed and chased all the images back, some of them are dead ends, but it will spell out the word clock. So it can be a clock anywhere. And that's the next location. You also have one of these. It's a two-parter again, so you can hide one piece in one location and this another location, and then eventually they can put them together. So find the 4-letter word above. It is a clue for your next location. So if you see here, they're pairs of images. The pairs of images go onto this. So we have this kind of stripy box, which is here, and then this zigzaggy one. So that's the letter F. For the next one, we have a stripy and then a green balloon. It's O, an orange, and then orange. It's an R. And the green, and the green. Okay, so it's fork. Now, a fork can be either something in your kitchen drawer. It could be back at the kitchen the dinner table, where you maybe set out some party snacks and things, and it's in the stack of forks and things there. Or it could be a garden fork. Completely and entirely up to you. If you don't want to use a fork as the location, just make your own one up. You can print another one of these out and just pair up the separate words. Or if you wanted to, you could write numbers down on top of these and use pairs of numbers instead. So that and that would be, so if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be 2, 1. I hope you kind of get that, yeah. This is my favourite puzzle. So this is just a simple overlay. So you have a lot of random words on this one, kind of present-y. And then they have this one. Again, for this activity, you can give them this part, or they find this part in the location they've been sent to, but to get this piece to decipher and find the next location, they have to perform a task. So again, it could be like a party game, or it could be anything that you can think of, to be fair. When you get this one on the sheet, it has white boxes on like this. And then all you need to do is cut it out. And I used just a little knife. You can use scissors if you want to, but I find the knife is easier. So just cut along, like so. You probably take more time than I am. There you go. Pop that out. There you go. And then you've got another piece in there. So when I have the two pieces, literally all they do is put it over the top. See, wanting more? Why don't you check the front door? Really good. You do also get some blank clue cards, so you can write your own clues, or you can write the activities on these to hand to the children. So you're not restricted at all by the clues that are in the kit. Mix and match as you like, don't have to use all of them. You can use all of them, or make your own ones up. You can make your own cipher clues if you want. Just rewrite it on here using the code. The other thing that you'll get in the kit is some giant giant gift tags. Again, these can be attached to boxes, and inside it you could possibly keep, you know, 1.5 of the clues, and alongside it a birthday present, or party game, like a pass the parcel game, and inside the box you've got the tag on the outside that tells them the game is pass the parcel, sorry. Anything you can think of. They're quite large ones, so they're obvious that they're part of the game, as it has the same characters from the first part. But yeah, that is the kit that you get. So you get plenty of things to make a birthday treasure hunt a lot of fun. You've got your blank clue cards, you've got the giant gift tags, you've got the pig pen cipher clue, you've got this overlay one. It's definitely one of my favourites. You have this code where you match up the words. A little substitution one there. You've got the jigsaw puzzle. Again, if you wanted to, think of jigsaw puzzle, you could write any clue on perhaps a photograph of whose birthday it is, write a message on top of it, cut it into strips, into pieces, make your own puzzles and hide it that way. Or if you have, I don't know, maybe it's a big birthday, so I don't know, it's 60, I think it's 16 in America, so it's 17 in the UK, you can drive a car. So if you're a particularly generous parent and you have bought said child a car, you could print off a picture of it, write on the message wherever the location of the car is going to be, chop it up, put it inside here. When they put it together, hopefully kind of 2 pennies will drop, and then they'll find their epic present from that. That'll be a great last present. My daughter's just turned 18, so She's still learning to drive. Unfortunately, COVID kind of stopped her driving lessons, so she's got ages yet. But we were planning to get her a car, but she's actually saved enough money herself, so I don't have to. But that would have been epic for her. So yes, you have that one. You have treasure scroll, and then you have these. You also have another sheet of blank ones of these that you can hide. They make quite a nice banner as well. Like you know, if you strung them together and hung them up, they look quite good. We've got 2 clues there, another 2 there, and there's 2 more. So you've got loads of things that you can get going and make a really fun, non-traditional treasure hunt. I don't like doing boring hunts. I think they have to be involving lots of activities because you want to make the day special. So that is my birthday treasure hunt kit. I hope you like it. If you've got any questions or you have any requests for treasure hunts, drop a message down below and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching, and I will post again soon, hopefully. Thanks. Bye.